What's up, guys? This your boy No Chill Chat checking in. Got a little update for you guys. Of course, my birthday just passed, man. So just stoked just to hit that milestone in my life. And we're going to keep it moving, man. Another year of life. Plenty more to go. And today, I just pulled up to the world famous J-Rod Speed Shop. So I got some new goodies that just came in, and I'm just gonna put my eyes on them and go and get scheduled when I can drop my car off so we can get this thing installed. So I hope you guys love this. I know a couple of you guys were kind of interested in this video or this product that I'm about to go look at. So I hope this helps make your decision when you're looking to purchase you one. All right, stay tuned. See what the guys are up to. Ah, mi amigo. Migas. Look, Hammy over here getting his, I would say get his hands dirty, but he's got on gloves, so at least he's working. Guy Blaze, everybody is gonna get his car taken care of. This is a fast one here. There's the box we've been waiting for. I got a little tattoo right here. Got a tattoo. Sure, Hammy wrote that. So let's get this thing open, man. See what she looks like. Let's open this thing up.
Take the Camaro next.
Here we go, here we go. Shout out to Performa Built. Appreciate them, they got this thing super fast, man. Oh, the trans cool. Bet. Look at that. Look at that. Filled it with foam. That's dope. Big Baldo. I don't know. But everything is wrapped perfectly. The box, foam, a little leakage, but it's all in case, so. Oh, yeah. So you guys see it here. This is the level 3 Performa Built transmission. Good for about 900 horsepower. And it's based on the weight of my vehicle, so they built it for that. They got some record 406s out there, so this is why we went this route. So get it scheduled, get this thing in, and I can really send it. Let's just hope nothing else breaks. Hope nothing else breaks. All right, guys. All right, guys. So I'm so excited to go ahead and get the transmission in. That was just one big thing that was on my plate that the vehicle absolutely needed. And I didn't want to skip out on that because I definitely want to get the car on the road, get some times, some 0 to 60 pulls, 60 to 130 pulls. Really want to see what the car can do. But without a transmission, man, you can't really do too much. So definitely shout out to Performa Built. Make sure you guys follow them on their social media, Instagram, Facebook. You know, hit them up, let them know I sent you. They got some really great prices, and you don't always have to just go with a 4L80 or TH400. You know, usually anything I do my research, and I make sure it's the best option for anybody. But also, you know, like I said before, it was my birthday, and I decided to kind of just do something for myself. So usually around my birthday, I try to make a pretty decent purchase or go a little bit above and beyond for myself. But I'm going to show you what I just grabbed. So I just purchased myself a car trailer. This is a 20-foot car trailer, dovetail with a 4-inch drop. It does have removable fenders. You know, with the removable fenders, because once you put the car up here on the trailer, you can't open the damn door because the car is so low. So now I'm actually able to remove the fender, still be able to open the door, drive it up, no freaking problems. One thing I do like about this is it has the built-in ramps. So with the built-in ramps, you pull it out, you pull the ramps out, and when you pull them out, that door closes flush so that you're able to just drive straight up the ramp, transition right onto the trailer, no problem. I got the little D-rings built in. We got the stabilizers on the side. There's a lot of pockets. There's stake pockets, so I can add additional D-rings. I also got a steel, what do you call it? Rock guard. So it's a steel rock guard that goes on the front of the trailer and kind of curves all the way around so that rock and debris doesn't hit the front of the car. Spare tire mount, of course, goes there. I may add another one, I'm not sure, to the other side. You know, if one tire goes out, cool, but I've seen people have blowouts and more than one tire goes out. So thinking about adding another spare tire mount to the other side. And yeah, this is a 10,000 pound trailer. And I got a heavy duty jack. I think I want to go with a power jack, you know, so I can just push the button and just raise it up and down, but no biggie for right now. But this is going to be my new car trailer hauler. I'm going to put all my sponsors, supporter names all across the sides over here. Definitely shout out to Nationwide Trailers. Check them out. Contact Megan. She's over in Houston, and actually I'll put all her information down at the bottom of the video so you can hit her up. I got a really good deal on a brand new 2024 trailer. I was looking for something used at first, but a lot of people are asking top dollar for a used trailer. I almost considered doing a wood trailer, you know, at least to kind of just hold me over. And then I was like, you know what, let me just kind of just get what I want. And I really fared out on a really good deal with this trailer. I mean, it's perfect, 20 feet long. Even if you had a Dodge Charger Challenger, it's not gonna be falling off the back or anything like that. So yeah. But man, thanks for checking out the video. You know how the journey goes. It's always something going on. I should have another surprise coming for you guys in the next couple weeks or so. You know, got some other things. I guess I can give you a hint. I mean, you follow my channel, you see everything that's been done to the car, so then you know what hasn't been done to the car. So that'll just give you a hint. Maybe you might guess it. All right. But thank you for tuning in. Subscribe, like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit me up. Check out my website, nochillchat.com. It's your boy checking out, man. Later.